Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. This is accompanied by a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of front parking sensors set into the colour coordinated front bumper. Down below the vehicle sits on a set of 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke star design. A full-size wheel also comes with the vehicle. Towards the rear of the vehicle we have a tailgate with a heated rear window, and helping you reverse and manoeuvre there's a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot space of the vehicle, we are greeted by a large amount of storage space thanks to the long wheelbase format of the vehicle. At the rearmost seats we'll find a 3-seater passenger bench, and in the middle there are 3 individual seats. The 2 outer seats can be tilted forward, allowing easy access for the passengers to get in and out of the vehicle. All the seats come finished in the circuit fabric cloth upholstery in a black colour, and the vehicle also features a 3-zone climate control system. Up front for the driver and passenger we have 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests each, and in the centre of the dash there is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite FM, AM as well as DAB radio stations. Users can also connect with the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Once reverse gear has been selected, the parking distance control will show on the touchscreen. Beneath the touchscreen we'll find the climate controls for the vehicle. Included is Climatic Air Conditioning, and throughout the rest of the cab there's some charging points for your smart devices. In front of the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel that provides a more unique and customizable driving experience. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.